The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Tuesday in our 4th week of Easter. Have you ever experienced wherein your heart wanted to believe but your mind is telling you otherwise? You cannot convince your mind even though your heart is telling you it is the right thing to do. That was the experience of some of the Jews who came to Jesus. Until when are you going to suspense us? Tell us plainly if you are the Christ. But Jesus said, I told you already, but you didn't believe. You have seen what I did. You have heard my preaching. And then, what is keeping you from believing? That's it. Their hearts wanted to believe. There must be congruency in our hearts and in our mind. Our pride is trying to control our mind. Sometimes our hearts is already believing, but the mind is blocking it to continue on believing and in loving and in coming after Jesus. Many people would like to rationalize their faith. That is right, because we cannot continue believing without understanding it. However, even if our mind cannot fully understand, at least when we cling to the truth of Jesus, let us allow the Spirit of the Lord to lead us to the understanding of the truth about Jesus Christ. As the saying goes, the heart has the reason, which the reason may not necessarily understand. Open your hearts to Jesus. And then when you open your hearts, our mind may not fully grasp the mystery. But what is more important is, we allow Jesus to lead us to the truth until finally when we reach heaven, when the fullness of revelation will happen, then we will say, it is good that we come and believe. God bless.